Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basics, and on today's video, we're gonna show you guys the real way to favorite gifs on Discord. There might have been a time when you are scrolling through your chats in Discord and see a GIF that you want to add to favorite. And just like any of us, you go on YouTube to learn how to favorite GIFs on Discord. And you go through many videos, but all you find out the video that says click on the react button and click on heart button, and that's how you do it. Now listen, if you want to favorite GIFs on Discord, then all you need to do is close your mobile app and open Discord on your PC. Now once you're on your PC, all you need to do is go to the GIF, and on the side you will be able to favorite GIFs. Just click on it to add it to your favorites. You can see it's been added to my favorite. You will be able to see it in your mobile app as well. And that's how you do it. Don't listen to the video that says react blah blah blah. It doesn't work. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.